You installed Recomaze. Now let's make sure every AI assistant on the internet, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI, can actually find, understand, and recommend your products. I'll walk you through the full setup. Everything happens inside your dashboard. First step, find out what's broken. Go to AI Discoverability Report and hit Generate Report. This takes a random sample of 50 products across your categories and evaluates how AI ready they are. Titles, descriptions, attributes. Takes about 2 to 4 minutes. You'll get an AI readiness score from 0 to 100 with a letter grade. A means AI assistants can work with your data. F means they're guessing. Most stores land somewhere in the C to D range when they first run this. The summary tells you exactly what's pulling the score down. Common issues are short or generic titles, thin descriptions, and missing product attributes. Scroll to critical blockers. These are the specific issues stopping AI from understanding your products. Each one has a severity tag, urgent or high, the percentage of products affected, and a side-by-side showing what your data looks like now versus what it should look like. This makes the problem concrete. Below that is the action plan, numbered, prioritized, with effort estimates per task. You can work through this manually, or you can let Recomaze handle the heavy lifting. Which brings us to the fastest path. Still inside the report, scroll to Optimize your products with AI. This is the fastest way to fix your catalog. You'll see how many products have been optimized so far, your monthly plan quota, how many you've used, and how many remain. Your plan caps how many products you can optimize per month, and that limit resets on the first of each month. Enter your email and hit Generate Now. Recomaze generates AI-optimized titles, descriptions, and Q&A for your products, up to your remaining monthly quota, and sends them to your email as a CSV. Open the email. The attached CSV shows a clear before and after for every product. Your current title next to the improved title, your current description next to the improved description, plus Q&A that AI assistants can use to answer customer questions. Each row includes the product URL so you can cross-reference. Nothing gets applied to your store automatically. You review everything first. The report path is the quickest way to optimize your catalog. But if you want full control over the output, use the content generator. Step 1. Choose which products to work on. Select all products or pick a specific collection. Then download your backup CSV. Always do this first. This is your safety net if you want to roll anything back. Step 2. Upload that backup CSV. Drag it in or click to browse. Step 3 is where the real control lives. At the top, you'll see your monthly usage tracker showing how many products you've optimized versus your planned quota. Tone of voice: professional, friendly, luxury, technical, or custom, where you write your own tone instructions. Language: 18 options. Pick the language your customers shop in. Creativity: this controls how much freedom the AI takes. Conservative at 0.3 stays close to your original data. Balanced at 0.5 is the middle ground. Default at 0.7 is where most stores should start. Creative at 0.9 gives the AI the most room. If your current descriptions are very thin, go higher. If they're already decent and just need cleanup, stay lower. Now the content toggles. You can turn on titles, descriptions, tags, and FAQ independently. Generate only what you need. Each toggle has its own custom prompt field. This is powerful. Under titles, you might write, always include the material and primary use case. Under descriptions, focus on benefits, mention free shipping over $50. Under FAQ, cover sizing, care instructions, and warranty. For FAQ, there's one more option. Include the Q&A inside the product description or keep it separate. Most stores include it in the description because that's where AI assistants look first. Enter your email and hit Start Generation. You'll see progress per product in real time. When it's done, the output lands in your inbox as a CSV, matched by product handle for direct Shopify import. Whether you use the quick optimization from the report or the full content generator, the next step is the same. Go to Bulk Update. First, download a fresh backup. If you skip this and something goes wrong, you can't roll back. Upload the CSV you received. The system shows you exactly what it found. Total products, how many have improved titles, how many have improved descriptions, and how many have updated tags. Check these numbers before going further. Choose what to apply. Titles, descriptions, and tags are toggled independently. If you only want to update descriptions for now, turn off the others. You control what changes. Confirm you've backed up. It starts writing directly to your Shopify products. Real-time progress per product, success or failed. When it's done, you get a summary. Any failures, you can investigate and retry. Your products are fixed. Now stay on top of it. Go to AI Monitor. Your AI readiness score updates as you fix things and shows the change since the last run. You'll see AI bot traffic over the last 30 days and your progress level with XP, streaks, and badges. Scroll to Product Tasks. These are grouped by issue type. Title issues, description issues, tag issues, each with a severity level. Click View and Fix on any group. For each product, you'll see the current content, the AI's diagnosis of what's wrong, and a suggested fix in green. You can apply individually, apply all remaining, skip, edit the suggestion, or regenerate. Every fix earns XP. Now, the metric that matters most. AI Visibility Score uses Gemini with Google Search grounding to check how often AI assistants actually mention your brand when people search for products you sell. Run it, track it over time. This tells you whether the work you're doing is showing up in the real world. The bot traffic chart shows which AI crawlers are visiting your store and how often. GPT bot, Claude bot, Perplexity bot. If this is growing, AI assistants are indexing your data. If it's flat, your products aren't being picked up yet. One more thing. LLM.txt was generated automatically when you installed Recamaze. It's a structured feed of your entire store in a format AI crawlers can read directly. You don't need to do anything here. Just check the monitoring tab to see which bots are hitting your feed. This is your store's front door for every AI assistant. That's the full loop. Diagnose with the AI readiness report. Fix using the quick optimization or the content generator with custom settings. Apply through bulk update. Monitor in AI Monitor. Your LLM feed is already live. Every week, the platform surfaces new issues. You fix them, your visibility compounds. Start with step 1, generate that report.